Hi there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change the language on an Epson Stylus Photo RX620. Now this is ever so simple, can be done from the printer itself using nothing but control panel and the screen shown here. Now if you're not already on this setup menu, which is shown by a little screwdriver on the top left hand side, just press this dedicated button over here, it'll take you from wherever you are to here. Now whilst my printer is set to English currently, I've got myself set in the default position that the setup menu will be in, and you should be able to follow the button presses I'm doing to get you to the right place. So we're going to go down past all of the options on this page using the down arrow that I'm pressing now, and as soon as we get to the next page, see the options change. You should have 3 options, and language is the middle one. So press down just once more, and then OK. And there we are. Now, as I say, mine's set to English, but if yours is in another language or one you don't understand, just press the arrows until your native language pops up. Once you're there, press OK once more, and you're done. Now, I hope you found this useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know that isn't covered in our other videos for this printer, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.